Question 1. Here are the ages in years of 15 students. Show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Now we've got a section at the bottom here to actually show us what the completed stem leaf diagram should look like, but we're going to use this area in the middle here to work out what has to go into this value. So a stem and leaf diagram is made by separating the beginning of a number and the end. So if we look at the start or the stem of each of our numbers, we've got numbers that begin with 1, 2, 3 or 4. So these values would become the stem. So we have 1, 2, 3 or 4. The next stage that we've got is this tramline section, where we can keep all our values together. Now the reason I'm drawing this out, as well as having the answer section at the bottom, is that the first time we do this, we're probably going to make mistakes. We're probably going to put the numbers in the wrong order, but that's okay. That's what the working out area is for. So we've got the number 19. 1 is the stem, 9 is the leaf, so we put a 9 in this section here. That number is now on the diagram, so I can cross it off. 18 means we put an 8 next to the 1, and that one's done, and so forth through the rest of the numbers. Now notice the fact that we've already got two numbers the wrong way round, and this is the reason why you draw it out first very quickly to find at least what the numbers are, because it's quicker to sort one row of single digit numbers than it is to search through a whole list. 33, 21, 17, 29, 20, 42, 18, 23, 37 and 22. Just to double check that I've got all the numbers, I should have 15 values for the 15 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now if I'd done that, that's almost good enough for 1 mark. All the numbers are in rows, which is really important. But I haven't designed a key yet, and the numbers are not in order. So we're going to copy up this section now into the answer boxes. So we know that our stems must be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So on the top row, if I put these numbers in order, I will get 7, 8, 8, 9. On the middle row, we will get 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9. On row 3 we'll have 3, 7 and 7. On the final row 2. So all my numbers are now in order. So this is an ordered stem and leaf diagram. All the numbers are in neat columns, so we can see that most of the numbers are in the 20 section. And now we just need to finish this off for a third mark with a key. Now you can pick any of the numbers that we've used. Let's say this beginning bit here, 1 with a line and then 7. So 1 followed by a line and then 7 means what? Well, it's ages and it means the number 17. So as long as you've got 1 line 7 actually means 17, that is your completed key. It could have meant 1.7, so this is why we have to include an example in the key.